Today's date is March 15th, 2023, and Will and I are going to, he's using his tractor. We're going to move this trailer back so we can hook it up to the Tundra, and we're going to go over and get a welding table, what I'm calling a welding table, but we're going to be doing we're going to be putting a metal table. It has some wheels. It's all rusted out and everything, but that's going to be the test stand for the pulse detonation engine. So that's what we're doing for the moment. We're going to lower this on and get to it. So I'll be back. Does that look like it? Let me see if I can get this guy to come down. Yeah, it does. Yeah, I got it. So hold this. Hold this.
No.
I want to be busted working. You don't have to touch anything, just point it.
Gotcha. Now Frank is operating this thing so that we can get to. That should be high enough.
Is it high enough?
Yep.
You're clear. Okay, he's going to back this up and oh, a cheater backer.
I only want to do it once.
Yeah. Well, there's nothing like getting your balls all matched up. Pretty good. All right, I like this solution. It's all old school. Oh, hold it. You missed. You're gonna have to go forward again. All right. Keep coming. Keep coming. Hold it. A little bit more back. Little bit. That's good. Just stop right there. What? That's too far. Go forward now. When you let off of the brake, it rolled back. Okay, go that way just a tad. Now turn them so they come back. You're not straight yet. Okay, come back easy, straight back. Keep coming. You got a foot. That's good. That's good right there. That's good. We have to raise it some more. Okay, we got it hooked up. Do you want me to take the tractor back to the pad?
Yeah.
All right. Well, it's another one of those might rain days. It's getting up in near the afternoon, so the wind is picking up again. Makes it really hard to work. As you can see, all the snow is melted in the mountains. But if you think of rain as being ominous, It looks like that could be ominous. So anyway, we're gonna try and get this welding table over here, maybe even the VW engine for the 56. I mean for the 65. That's a little dyslexia there. So anyway, I'll be back.
Today we just threw frickin' pads right over
I
them.
used to do that same thing
Hell
in
yeah.
my early years.
They conform.
But I'm not sure.
Well, the rotor prices have come down. They're making them in Mexico.
Yeah.
So, and I don't like turning them. It just makes them thinner.
So here we are. We're gonna pick up this engine.
Getting that door up, Frank, is gonna be a mother.
Well,
You be on the inside and I'll go outside.
yeah.
You gotta watch your fingers, man.
Right. Okay, let me, I'll work on the outside part here like we did the last time. Okay, so what we're gonna do is open this door and I'll be back to you. Putting something on here. I don't know if my other, I don't know if it recorded when we put the VW on and the detonation engine test stand. So I guess we're putting a freezer or something in here. So today's date is March 17th 2023, and Will and I bought a 100-watt panel. It was $100 out the door, but like everything we just wanted to charge a battery, and we've got this kind of a connector here, so we're gonna do excuse me, pretty dry out here in the desert. We're gonna try to hook something up and see how long it will take that 100-watt panel to charge the battery on this little tractor. Locking. All right, so we're going to measure this the voltage on this battery before we start this. So it says 12.21 volts, but it just doesn't have enough oomph. So let's see what it says after I hook this up. Okay, I have the panel hooked up right now. So let's look at that again. Uh, 12.29, 30, so it's going up, so it's going to put a charge in there. I wanted to set my timer. It's 2:19. So let me set up the timer here. Let's just start it. So I guess we'll let it go, what, a half hour?
What are you charging?
The battery
Cool.
with this. So we're gonna wait a half hour and then try and start it. All right, so it's been about 15 or 20 minutes. He's gonna try and start it now.
I have a 5-year-old. Lots of keys.
Oh shit, it's leaning up against.
Oh. Here, let's just take this off. Here.
Put it right there on this thing.
All right.
Show everything.
Whoops.
Should go.
Let's
Not
hope.
long though, don't leave it. Ready?
Yeah. Well, I guess it started right up. So a 100-watt panel will charge the battery probably another 50% before
Marcus is a smart guy. I have to put all of this.
Yeah,
stuff
I
here.
know.
He'll go out here and be driving around the driveway. And mom's going crazy. You do what are you doing? You know, he's dragging just like I'm doing, right? It's fun, man. You know.